Hello, today we are going to solve one numerical problem based on this question from UGC NET Paper-1. Here we are given a table corresponding to 5 movies PQRST across 2 cinema halls A and B on a particular day. And in accordance with the table, we need to answer this question. In this table, we are given some movies and corresponding sale of tickets on a particular day for 2 cinema halls A and B. Here we are asked that what is the ratio of number of tickets sold of movie P at cinema hall B to the number of tickets sold of movie Q at cinema hall B. Okay, the number of tickets sold at cinema B for movie P is equals to 300, and the number of tickets sold at cinema B for movie Q is equals to 400. Okay, therefore our required ratio of sales of tickets for theater for movie P and to movie Q is 300 is to 400, which results in 3 is to 4. Okay, therefore the correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.